The extinction of the dinosaurs remains one of the greatest mysteries in the history of life on Earth. Despite decades of research and numerous theories, the exact cause of their extinction has not been fully determined. However, the most likely explanation is an asteroid impact that caused widespread environmental damage. The evidence for this theory comes from several sources. The first piece of evidence is a layer of iridium, an element that is rare on Earth but abundant in asteroids and comets, that has been found in sedimentary rock layers from the time of the dinosaurs' extinction. This layer is present all over the world, which suggests that a global event was responsible for its deposition. Another piece of evidence is the presence of a large impact crater located on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This crater, called the Chicxulub crater, has been dated to around 65 million years ago, which is the same time that the dinosaurs went extinct. The size and age of the crater, along with the presence of shocked quartz and other impact-related minerals, strongly suggest that it was created by an asteroid impact. The effects of the asteroid impact would have been devastating to the dinosaurs and the other life forms on Earth. The impact would have created a massive shockwave and intense heat that would have caused widespread fires and significant atmospheric damage. The resulting dust and ash clouds would have blocked out the sun, causing temperatures to drop and creating a nuclear winter effect. This would have severely impacted the food chain and the ability of dinosaurs and other species to survive. In addition, the impact would have caused massive tsunamis and sent massive amounts of debris into the atmosphere, further contributing to the environmental damage. The debris would have caused further cooling, fire, and acid rain, which would have been harmful to many forms of life. In conclusion, the most likely cause of the extinction of the dinosaurs was an asteroid impact. The evidence for this theory, including a widespread layer of iridium, the presence of the Chicxulub crater, and the effects of the impact, strongly supports this explanation. While there are other theories, such as massive volcanic activity or changes in sea level, none have as much evidence to support them as the asteroid impact theory. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.